If you want to know how to quote a post on X.com, formerly Twitter, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to quote someone's post step by step, so you can add your own thoughts, commentary, or context before sharing it with your audience. This is a super useful feature if you want to react to a post, start a discussion, or share content while still giving credit to the original creator. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, navigate to the post you want to quote on X.com. You can do this by scrolling through your feed, opening a profile, or searching for a specific post. Once you've found the post, look just below it for the repost icon. This is the same icon you would normally use to repost content without adding any extra text. Go ahead and click the repost icon. A small pop-up menu will appear with a couple of different options. From that menu, click Quote. This is the option that lets you add your own message above the original post. After you click Quote, a Compose window will open on your screen. In this window, you'll see the original post embedded below your text box, which makes it easy to reference exactly what you're responding to. Now type your thoughts, opinion, or commentary in the text box at the top. You can explain why you're sharing it, add a reaction, ask a question, or give extra context to your followers. This is what makes quote posting different from a regular repost, because it lets you join the conversation instead of just sharing the post silently. Take a moment to review what you wrote and make sure it says exactly what you want. Once you're happy with it, click the Post button in the bottom right corner. As soon as you do that, your quote post will be published on X.com and will appear on your profile and in your followers' feeds. And that's it. You've just learned how to quote a post on X.com or Twitter in just a few simple steps. It's fast, easy, and a great way to engage with posts while adding your own voice. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.